What is up everybody, welcome back to GysticTutorials. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a classic paper airplane. Let's get into it. So the first thing you need to do is grab a piece of paper. It can be any size, but I've got an A4 piece of paper. And then you want to fold the piece of paper in half, lengthwise. Next you want to bring the top corners down to the center crease. And make sure everything is nice and straightened out. And then after that you can fold the paper along the center line. And then you want to fold the angled top edges towards the crease. And finally crease the angled side towards the center fold to create some wings. That is it for this video. If this did help you, please hit that like button, and if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button as well. If you have any troubles, please leave a comment below and I'll be glad to help out. That is it from everybody. Peace out.